I am David Bevan. We farm in mid-Wales. The name of the farm is Carn Wain. It's just 5 miles north of Builth Wells. We are farming 500 hill sheep. We do everything from shearing, drenching, day-to-day shepherding of the sheep, selling the sheep in the markets. The role with the mentor in Farming Connect is to do with the sheepdogs. I am looking forward to mentoring people with their sheepdogs one-on-one. Maybe in the future possibly have clinics where maybe 4, 5, 6 people could come watch each other working and me and to develop themselves. You know, yeah, to see somebody that perhaps can't handle a dog coming to you and then, you know, developing over a period of time and getting better and better. It's essential to have really good dogs to do your work. Basically, we've got the experience from 25, 30 years training and working dogs on bad terrain, you know, up in the upland here in Wales. We can pass on to our mentees and hopefully then they can get the best out of their dogs. Yeah, mentoring is very rewarding really to see somebody progress. If you feel that I can help you with your sheepdogs and progressing your skills, don't be afraid to pick up the phone and get in contact, and hopefully we can progress your skills together.